Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going over the NQ Autotrader. A lot of you may not know what the NQ Autotrader is. This has been around before SBS and it still works fantastically. We actually have a lot of people who still prefer NQ Autotrader over SBS. So we're gonna go over what it is, what it does today. Okay, so it trades Ninja Renko bars and it is very hands-off. Okay, you don't have to do too much with it. Although it's very important that you avoid news days like CPI, FOMC, NFP, things like that, because it can be very good or it can be very bad. Okay, NQ Trader does use a martingale system, so if it loses a trade, you can choose to have it double the contracts for the next trade because it does have an 85% win rate on this strategy. Okay, so our NQ Autotrader has about an 85% win rate. Okay, you can customize the data series, the brick size. So the default is going to be 205, which I'll show you that here. And generally we start trading from 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. kind of the overnight tends to be good. 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay. Right now, I think in my settings here, I have it set to 12 a.m. to 11 a.m. And then the avoid times are 11 a.m. to midnight. And this is how it's been doing the past few days. So if you catch losses, they are obviously bigger than the wins. Okay, so 85% win rate though, it does come out ahead if you're smart with it. Okay, so if we start here March 21st, you can see there's 2 wins here. So we have 2 wins. That would make us up $500. Okay, because it goes for about 12.5 points or so. We have a loss here, which would mean we're down. That was a $750 loss, so we're down $250. Then a 2 contract win. Okay, you can change this in the settings. So if you want, if you're very confident that it doesn't take back-to-back losses, you can bump the contracts to 3, 4, whatever you want for the next trade. Okay, but here that would put us to positive 250, and then here another loss would put us down to negative 500. Okay, trading 1 default contract, and then a 2 contract wins puts us break even, and then another win puts us plus 250. So on that first day, a rocky day, still plus 250. Then we fast forward to the 24th, which is the start of this week. We have 1, 2 wins, so that puts us plus 500, plus 750, plus 1,000 total so far. So plus 1,000 total. Then the 25th, which was yesterday, puts us plus 1,250, plus 1,500, and then today puts us plus 1,750 and plus 2,000. So overall in those past 5 days or so, plus $2,000. Okay, NQ Autotrader is $297 per month. Okay, it is, I would say in a lot of ways it can be better than SBS. In a lot of ways it's worse, right? SBS has a good risk reward. Okay, has a lower win rate. SBS has a lower win rate, but a better risk reward by a mile. And you can again mess around with stuff. So you can have any trade times you want. We're also putting out an update which should help with some stop loss management because you can't move the stops in here. It's just set, boom, can't touch it. A lot of people also do run the 102 brick size, 102. We'll let that calculate here in a second. And a lot of people do like this. So it's more scalpy, smaller. So you can see this is just today. Start out with a loss, so you'd be down 750, then a win, so you're only down 250, another win, so you're break even. So break even on the day here. Keep going, and then you have 1, 2 wins, so that puts us plus 500 on the day, and then plus 750 on the day. So today alone is plus 750. Again, change the brick size. The only time NQ Autotrader doesn't perform is if it's real choppy. Okay, you want to try and have the Ninja Renko bars as smooth as possible and with as least amount of wicks as possible. So if you want to mess with that, you can, but it's a very, very powerful tool. A lot of people prefer it over SBS, and I mean, that's that. Okay, quick video going over NQ Autotrader. It's awesome. It trades volume, momentum, boom, volume and momentum. Okay, but if you want it, links in the description. Leave any comments if you have questions, and I'll see you later.